Hello everyone. It has been a while and it's been too long. I didn't stop making journals. I just didn't take the time to make videos, which is unfortunate because in that time I've sold 16 journals. Some I've sold on Patty Lang's YouTube channel, Sacred Mementos, and some I've sold locally. But I've made quite a few in the new year, and I promised myself I would make videos of all of them. And I've already sold 2 without videos. And I will make individual videos. It'll be easier if I want to list on Etsy. They may not all make it on Etsy, but for those that will, I will have videos. And I hope I don't. I'm going to try to make my videos short. If I'm going too fast, please leave a comment. I'm going to start with this little one, and this one is called Nature. The cover is eco-dyed file folder by Rosemary Morris. She's the Rusty Peacock on Etsy, and this is the Tim Holtz nameplate, and I just put a tie, and it measures 3 3/4 wide by 5 3/4 high, and a 1-inch spine. There's 4 signatures for a total of 160 pages. And I have no digital. It's just a variety of papers. Some dyed papers by Louise Fraser, and she's Timekeeper Crafts on Etsy. I don't think she has dyed paper listed at the moment, but I'm sure if you were to contact her, she'll be happy to accommodate you because she has beautiful dyed paper. And here's a tag from Rosemary Morris collection. Here is a map of North America. And as usual, my journals have a lot of journaling space. That's the way I like to make them. I have some little labels here. Those are from I Love Junk Journals. Yep. And you'll see them throughout. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That eco-dyed paper. Just love it. And here's some Louise Fraser dyed paper. Here is some fussy cutting, of course, that flips out. Mini ledger. Here's a little corner pocket with a little receipt, vintage receipt from the 1900s. And here is a prescription. I just love the images at the top. I think it's dated, I don't have a date on this one. Look at the back. Beautiful. No, there is no date. Lost my spot. There we go. Some Louise paper. The middle of the signature, a collection of tags. Here is from, I think it's 1879, this stub. A little cigarette card. Yeah, a little cigarette card, botanical. Oh, sorry. A little vintage guest check. There's a little side pocket with a vintage photo. So, winter scene. There's a little envelope with a Tim Holtz mini paperclip. Not sure there's anything in there. Nope. So it says Central Union Terminal, Toledo, Ohio. It must be for fair. And this flips out. Some vintage looking tape that I love using. So the second signature, some more of that Louise paper, if you can see the detail. Love it. Another little corner tuck, fussy cut. And some this vintage ephemera throughout, originals. Some little key tags. Here's a tag, a vintage playing card, oh, tickets, it's a cash transfer. I tried to use as much vintage ephemera as I could. There's again a flip out, fussy cut. Yeah, love it. Another side tuck. The vintage photo. Looks like a wishing well. Oh, sorry. Oops, wishing well. The third signature. These are watch parts, and I think it's a spring. I'm not going to open it, that's for sure. I think those I got from Patty Lang from the Secret Mementos on YouTube. A dictionary page. I love the mini dictionaries. Another collection. These are vintage dairy coupons. Just some little journaling paper. And these are for ice coupons. Ice coupons. This is a bus, coach and horse ticket. And this is a check, Bank of Lakeview, Oregon, from the 1920s. Tag, a flinch card, love those. And this is a redeemable coupon. Still sliding all over the place. Another vintage photo of a sunset, sunrise, I'm not sure. The other side of that little dictionary page. This flips out. Some fussy cut. And the last signature. Skip some right here. This flips out. Here's a vintage, I guess, date book. Again, another mini. Love, love, love. Tag that I made. Some journaling paper. A lot of my journals are botanical or birds, my favorites. Another type of flinch card. Some journaling paper. A vintage receipt. I think it's a duplicate. Yep, in duplicate. Here is a vintage tag from the CN Express, which is a Canadian National Railways. I only have a few and I'm hoarding those. Trying to anyway. There's a stub for American Express money order. I'm looking for a date. 1916. These again are redeemable tickets. And there we're going to get to the end. Another vintage photo. The winter scene and look like in a park. Some Rosemary Morris. Eco with dyed paper. And there we're coming to the end. And, this is another type of Tim Holtz clip, mini clip. An envelope with some fussy cut. And inside I have a collection of fussy cut flowers to put throughout the journal. So thank you for watching, and get ready for lots more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.